Tandaan nyo mga ka-Chillax, dito lang yan sa barangay Poblacion. Ayan o. So pag nakita nyo yung St. Paul College of Makati, hanapin nyo yung Guanzon St. Ayan yun mga ka-Chillax ha. Tapos katabi lang siya ng Hungry Nomad Kitchen. Tapos ayun, yung makulay na pader na yan. So tara, mag-update na tayo sa, sa EMC mga ka-Chillax ha. So yun nga pala yung yung Makati Avenue dyan. Diretso dyan. Tara, kaya tara mga ka-Chillax, punta na tayo doon. Let's go. So hello mga ka-Chillax, dito tayo sa loob ng EMC. So nandito yung may-ari. So medyo manonosebleed lang tayo ng konti mga ka-Chillax. Kasi pagkaintindi ko, he's a French national. So medyo magkakarabaw English muna tayo mga ka-Chillax. So don't worry, what's important is the specs and the prices. So at least sir will guide us in knowing the parts and the prices. Kasi medyo mga ka-Chillax, all of the e-bikes here are already updated and even the parts are also upgraded. So let's interview sir. Okay, so let's go mga ka-Chillax. So hello mga ka-Chillax, nandito na si sir. So let's interview him na. Sir, introduce yourself, sir.
Hi guys, my name is Cameron Gray. I'm the owner of Gray Tech and partner with EMC. So today we have the Paselec PX3. This is one of our big time favorite units. So the nice thing about it, as you can see, it steps through. It has a removable battery and then 20x3 tires. So it comes in a very compact form factor since it's foldable. You can fold it over here and then in the center. So as you fold it, it will take a small form factor that you can easily put it inside the car, or you can take it out with you on the LRT or MRT, since the maximum size allowed is 20 inches.
Yes.
So over here, to turn on the unit, I just press the M button. So here you have a black and white display. It's the easiest one to see in daylight. Then if I press here the M function, then you see this is the trip meter and the voltmeter, so you have an exact battery reading, so you can see between 54 to 42 volts. If it's 42 volts, it's equivalent to 0%, while 54 volts, it's 100%.
So what is its top speed, sir?
The top speed of this bike is 45 kilometers per hour. Usually, the most convenient is to ride it between 35 to 40 kilometers per hour. It's perfect for city riding, fast enough to match the traffic, but not that slow that you would feel that you're in danger whenever you're riding.
How about the range, sir?
For the range of this unit, typically I would get about 60 to 90 kilometers per
60
charge.
to what?
60 to 90 kilometers per charge.
So how about the charging time of this battery?
For this unit, it's 5 to 6 hours per charge.
5 to 6 hours.
Yes.
This is lithium?
All our batteries are lithium ion. For this particular model, the nice thing about it is that it's already Samsung branded. So Samsung branded batteries usually have 3 to 5 years lifespan compared to standard batteries that are only 1 to 3 years.
So the battery is detachable, sir, right?
Yes, you just have the key here located on the side. As you open, it will unlock from the frame and then you'll be able to pull it out. So if you just open here the seat,
So you have to remove the
seat and then you unplug here. This is the waterproof connector. Then you will be opening it up and you can pull it out. So you can easily charge this in your office, in the comfort of your home. You can leave the bike inside the car without having to worry about the battery getting damaged.
Okay. So this is the charging part, right?
The charging port is just located here on the side. It's very easy to charge. Financially, it's also not expensive to charge your e-bike since it will only cost about 7 to 8 pesos per charge.
So it's cheap, sir, no?
Yeah.
Very affordable. So how about the motor?
The motor is a 500 watt motor that will
500
peak to 800 to 900 watts. The nice thing about this particular unit is for such a small form factor, it has a very fast speed of the 40 to 40 volts.
Okay.
So the pedals are foldable first of all. And typically you'll remove the stand here. There's a safety feature, so you have to open first the safety lock, then open here. Then the proper way to actually fold the folding bike is to grab from the seat.
Okay.
And then instead of trying to man and pull it forcefully in
like
a muscular
that,
way, the easiest way is just grab from the top and then make a V shape with the wheels and then pull towards you.
It's more lighter that way.
Yeah, it's much easier this way. So now here it's folded on its side. Then here, same thing, remove the safety lock, open, then it will go as so. If you decide to lift up your chair a little bit, And with a bit of technique, you can actually roll it backwards.
Oh, nice.
So then you can actually push it as so just like a 480. Easy guys to move around.
So, what is the vehicle weight of the Paselec?
This first, but actually it's not. It's very easy to use, especially since you're pedaling and there's electric assistance. You don't feel the weight of the bike. It's very easy to maneuver because of the 20x3 tires, and they offer more comfort compared to the traditional usage of the 20x1.95.
How about the load capacity of this one?
The load capacity of this unit is about 120 kilos.
Oh, wow.
So it can definitely handle an everyday commuter for going to work. If you want to do groceries and put like a carrier bag or a top box, you can, and then you can load it up with whatever you need. It will definitely be able to handle the weight.
Yeah. Here, you mentioned about the top box. So, if the customer wants to have a top box, how much do they need to add?
Usually it depends on the size of the top box and then the modification, but it can cost from 3,000 to 5,000, or if you want a more premium top box, we can also accommodate. So in the case of a security company, for example, what we did is we provided this top box.
Nice.
So this top box over here was for a security company.
So big, no? So what is the size of this, or the
this one is 35
capacity?
liters.
35 liters.
35 liters, so then you can easily attach it here in the rear, and then that will give you some allowance to put in your groceries, or if you have
This is
any,
so big, no? So large.
if you need anything, for example, to put your groceries or healthy, health kit
Yeah,
for if ever needed, since it's gonna be a security company or other objects, and you can easily store it here.
So the RD of this is also Shimano?
This one is using Shimano Tourney 7-speed. It's more than enough for an electrical bike. So unlike traditional bikes where you really have to be concerned about the amount of gears that you're using when you have an electric bike, you have levels of assistance plus you have your gear. So let's unfold first the unit. There, so same thing but in the reverse. Close, safety lock. Great. So if you turn on your unit, so the first thing you'll notice, is the level of assistance, the pass. So right now it's on 0, meaning there's no electric. If you decide to put it on level 1, you have already the throttle assistance to start going. So you have 5 levels of assistance. As you increase in level of assistance, the faster the speed. So if you choose level 1, you'll go 20 kilometers per hour, level 2, 25 kilometers per hour, level 3, 30, etc., until you reach your 40 to 45 kilometers
So the
per
higher
hour.
the speed, the mode speed, the higher it will,
Yes,
faster.
the higher the level of assistance, the faster the speed that you'll be going. And then you can also use your gearing because it's all about the harmony between the rider, the motor, and then the gearing. So as you start, it's much better obviously to start on a lower gear to help the motor. As you increase in speed, just like a regular bike, you'd be increasing your gearing to match the speed accordingly.
Yes, okay, nice.
Then at any time you can use the throttle or you can pedal. Either is okay. The throttle is best to be used on flat surfaces, so to go around the city, when you're commuting, if you don't want to perspire too much, or if you're, for example, weaving through traffic because it's hard to balance when you're on a standard bike. So when you're using the throttle, you can easily weave through traffic much better.
Yes.
What else? The seat and the front part is adjustable, meaning it can accommodate all sorts of riders.
Okay.
So even if the riders are as tall as 5'10" or even 6 foot, they would be able to be comfortable riding this type of e-bike. So it's a perfect commuter or all around, especially for the price. So this comes for 60,000 pesos SRP.
Wow, 60,000.
But if you decide to pay cash, it's only 55,000 pesos.
So in fact, it's
Yes.
cheaper.
If you decide to go with BDO credit card, you can actually do 12 months 0% interest.
Nice. Do you also have a home credit here?
We don't have home credit, but we do have in-house financing. So
In-house one.
if you decide to, you can actually submit a form. We'll check your documents if they're all valid, and then after approval, then our finance company will be able to release your unit with a small down payment.
Okay. Nice. So this is, the name of this is Paselec
Paselec,
EPAS.
Paselec EPAS is just a pedal assistance.
Yes.
So the nice thing about Paselec is that it's definitely one of the leading e-bike brands here in the Philippines. We have a community of about 5,000 members right now, and then Paselec is known as a quality and reliable brand. And Greatech as a whole has been designated now 2 years as best electric bike distributor for the Philippines. So if also you long press the up arrow, then the front light will turn on, and then you also actually have a brake light.
Oh, nice.
So very safe for night riding.
Yeah.
So even if the light is not on, for example in the front, if you're braking during the daytime,
That's also great.
it will turn on.
Wow, nice.
So it really was built for commuters in mind. It's using mechanical brakes, front and rear. It's more than enough for an average speed of 40 to 45 kilometers, especially for city riding only. It's less maintenance and less hassle compared to hydraulic brakes.
Yes.
Of course, hydraulic offer more comfort, and we can also install it for you. However, starters or beginners, especially for commuters, will find themselves much. In general, all the products of Paselec comes with 1 year warranty.
1 year warranty. Wow,
So
nice.
we have full coverage. We have all parts available here. We have one of the biggest tech teams. So we have 5 technicians for our store. We're open every day from 11 to 7 p.m. And we can cover definitely any issues when it comes to battery, motor, controller. We can fix it all. We've been in this business for more than 5 years now. So definitely we know our products. So every single e-bike from Greatech has actually been tested for about 500 kilometers before selling in the public market. So definitely to the public. So definitely we know our products and we're capable of servicing or attest to them in terms of quality and reliability. I can spin the motor. You can see the acceleration is pretty fast. So from a standpoint, if I just press the throttle, you can see also on the display it's reading 45 kilometers per hour plus. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the Paselec brand. It used to be 20x4 tires, but they, based on the recommendation of our customers and their preference for Filipino market, they much prefer the 20x3. That's why it was switched to 20x3 tires, even though there was a 20x4 options in the past. 20x3 offers more agility, so it's much easier to move around the city. The fat tires, they also create more drag.
Yeah.
Since they're a bigger surface, the traction is stronger, so actually it's reducing the range. And then 1.95 was just too thin, so it reduced comfort, so people felt most at ease with the 20x3 tires so far.
Yeah, I think so. That's correct.
Yeah. What else? That's I think. So-
This store.
This store, actually our company, CG Tech, is the new corporation. So we have another one also for the awards of 2020, and then we're gonna get another one for most likely for 2023.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Congrats, sir.
thank you. So the reason why we're usually chosen for this award is because of our customer service. We take a lot of pride in customer service. It's our main focus before anything else. So what we want to do is we make sure that we have a strong relationship with our customers beyond just the sales. Unlike many stores who just sell their product and then after the purchase, then you don't hear from them anymore. We build a community, we ride together, we actually always keep in contact with our customers so that we make sure we have good relationships. And then we see them very often coming back to the store and then referring their friends. So that I think is one of our strongest points here, is that definitely we give the after sales and the support that people are looking for.
1, 2, 3, go!
Thank you guys for watching our vlog. We hope to see you soon at EMC.
Ayan.
Have a good day.
Hello guys, mag-subscribe kayo kay Chillax Esquila.
Ayan, maraming salamat, sir.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Chillax, Esquila. Kachillax, Kachillax. Yeah.
Chillax, ayan, thank you sa support and subscribe din po tayo kay Esquila on
Yun.
YouTube. Ayan, maraming salamat and ingat sa mga bike rides ninyo.